Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your RedMagic 11 Air. So what you guys want to do first is remove the screen protector or case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is going offside of the phone, and if it's going off screen, if it's going towards the edges or the sides, what can happen here? Now this case will be left, sorry, not case, but this side of the screen will be left without a screen protector, and what can happen is simply you won't be able to press anything on your device, and your screen will become less responsive or just not responsive at all. Now for the case, if your case is not original, this one is the case that we have got from the box, is the original case for the RedMagic. As you guys can see, it even got the logo here. If it's not original, then just get rid of it. Or if it's just covering the bezels and going onto the screen. So the bezels is the dark part between the screen and the sides of your phone. Now if it's covering the bezels, it's going off the screen, so the same thing will happen. You won't be able to do anything on your phone. As you guys can see, it's just not working. So this is how your screen can become unresponsive pretty easily, and most people just think that it's because of the phone, but sometimes it's the case or the screen protector. So make sure to check that out and remove it if this is what happens. Next, what you guys want to do is grab a microfiber cloth and get rid of any moisture, debris, and as a bonus, fingerprints, because as you guys may know, microfiber gets rid of fingerprints too. So swipe your phone a couple of times. 3 times is enough. Now here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart our phone. So we're gonna hold the power button, and now we wanna hold the power button for over 10 seconds, and it should force restart our device. So if we got a problem with tapping it, then as you guys can see, our screen can just go black by holding the power button for more than 10 seconds. So now we are waiting for the phone to turn back on. So now we're gonna go over and wait for the widgets to load and everything. And as a last resort here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna update our software. So we're gonna go over to the settings. Now we're gonna swipe down until we see the system and go to system update. Now it's checking for updates automatically. My software is up to date. All you need to check if your software is the latest version, you need Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. Now, as you guys can see, my software is up to date. But if yours isn't and you have an option to update your software, make sure to do that. It's very important to keep up with the latest version because older versions have a lot of glitches and we just don't want them. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.